happened actually before lunch, round about 11 in the morning. We'd taken off and we'd gone into this head-on attack, and we're just getting within firing range. I don't know whether I'd fired my guns or not, but nevertheless I heard this terrific bang, and these gunners took away my sump. Smoke poured out. I switched off all my switches, fuel switched off, and I closed the engine as well, because the engine, closed the throttle and everything, because I didn't want to suck petrol through into the engine, because part of it had gone anyway. And I came down from we were at about 18,500 feet when this happened, and I came down. It was just over the place called Caterham. There was a town in, I think it's Surrey, I'm not sure, but I think it's Surrey. That was below us, and our aerodrome, Kenley, was just a few miles away as well. And I thought, well, I'd been taught to force land, and I thought, well, I'll go and land at Kenley. I could pump the wheels down. I hadn't got an engine to drive the wheels down, but I could pump them down.